Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I prepared this corned beef. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. First, we're going to start off by cleaning a 2.3 pound flat cut brisket. The corned beef is packaged in a sodium solution, so the objective here is to try to remove as much of it as possible. To the brisket, I added 1 cup of vinegar and rinsed it under hot water. For the dry rub, you're going to combine a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Coat both sides of the brisket. Line a baking dish with foil. I'm adding 1 medium onion and 3 garlic cloves. And 1 cup of water. Then we're gonna bake the brisket for 3 hours at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna uncover it and bake it at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, corned beef.